This project came to us, clients approached us after just purchasing a property in Ascot. The first thing that struck me with this home was just how beautiful the original features were. The gable roof, the VJ walls, the detailed cornice. It was really a beautiful home that lent itself very well to a modern renovation. G'day, I'm Ryan Brown. I'm the Director at RKB Renovations.
I'm Anthony Trevor from Synergy Building Design, and this is Project Costello. So working with this house, it's obviously a pre-1946 Queenslander, and coming with that is the traditional building character requirements there, and also too at the front of the home is a beautiful Poinciana. And that was one of the things that we could all agree on from the client, the builder and myself, in terms of being able to keep that tree, showcase it, but it came with its own set of challenges as well.
So the existing property was in fairly poor shape, just hadn't been maintained and looked after for a number of years. It was a 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom, fairly stock standard Queenslander cottage. What it has now become is 5-bedroom, 4-bathroom, 2 living spaces, a beautiful example of how a traditional Queenslander home, through a very thoughtful design and very good building practices, is able to be transformed into a beautiful modern family home that will suit this family for a number of years to come.
So with the design, we picked the house up, we moved it forward onto the site to allow for the extension at the rear of the property. We put most of the living spaces on the right-hand side, master bedroom above. And what that allowed us to make is this beautiful courtyard with a pool at the end. And as you kind of progress your way through the front door, you get these beautiful curves that bring you around into the living space. You've got the beautiful return set of stairs going upstairs, and then off to the left is a lovely pool room that kind of opens out onto the space.
The work specifically here at Project Costello that our carpenters have done is just absolutely next level. And when you can take something that the client has envisaged in their mind, that the designer has then documented on paper, to then be the guy that actually gets to turn it into the physical space, is something that it's never lost on me, the importance of that, and to be honest, just how much fun it can be to do something you're really proud of and something you're really passionate about.
So when you look at the house, you'll see there is a definite differentiation between the Queenslander and the new section underneath, and also too at the wing at the back where mostly the master bedroom is. But we feel we've done a great job in terms of being able to mould those two together, and they work really, really well. So when you walk into the home, you get this sense of this is a beautiful modern home design. But as you go upstairs, you start feeling the age of the home and the uniqueness that a beautiful Queenslander can bring to something like this.
The main thing for us was being able to maintain the integrity and the character of the existing home, and then to have that nice seamless transition into a beautiful modern living space. We've worked with the team at Synergy Building Design for a number of years now. We do a lot of our projects with them. The importance of that relationship is that the builder and the designer know how each other think, essentially. Anthony and I have known each other for years. And the benefit that brings to the client is that, you know, when that collaborative approach is brought forward, the client's the one that benefits.
I'm blown away with what Ryan's been able to do with this property, the level of finishes, the quality. It's just another step up again for what Ryan is doing with RKB Renovations, and I see this as being the next level for his company moving forward, because effectively Ryan does beautiful work, doesn't matter where he goes, but effectively I think this is one of the pinnacle projects that I've been able to work with Ryan on in our very long period that we've known each other. And he should be very proud of what he's been able to achieve here, and I'm just blown away with what he's been able to do and the level of finish and quality. The element I like about this house the most is the beautiful courtyard that overlooks the pool. Effectively, there's 3 or 4 spaces all pointing into that area. And as you come through the house, you see it, and it just looks absolutely amazing. We're blessed with a beautiful day today where the sun's out and we've got a beautiful blue sky, and it just really reminds you about why you make these design choices.
I think the thing I would most want people to feel when they walk through this home, I think, is just calm. I think between the design, the interiors and the build, we've just made a really beautiful space for the homeowners to enjoy. And I think when you walk through that front gate, you come through the beautiful gardens out the front, the hanging gardens out the back, the openness and the light in the home. To me, it just resonates calm. That you can come in, it can be a place where you can sit back with a cup of coffee and read a book. It can be the sort of place where you can have 30 people in the backyard entertaining at a birthday.
I would say this project is something that's going to last the test of time. I mean, it just works so well, and I can see this house, you know, if it gets sold, you know, 10 years down the track, being a showpiece for the Ascot suburb, and it's just really a great representation of when a great client, great designer and a great builder come together, and you can just see an amazing result.